word problems. This is where everybody wants to shut down and just say, I can't do it. But you guys can. All you have to do is read and comprehend what they're asking you to do. In this case, we have a desktop organizer that is shaped like a cube, probably something like this one down here. It has a volume of 125 cubic inches. So we have 125 inches cubed. What is the length of one side of the organizer? Okay, well, let's think about how do we find the volume of a cube. Well, first of all, because the cube has a unique trait in that all the sides are the same. So if this is side S, this is also going to be S. And this will also be S, right? So all the sides are the same. And I know that length times height times width, which in this case would be S times S times S, would equal the volume, which is 125 inches cubed. So another way that we can write S times S times S is S to the third power, or S cubed. There should be a little connection going off in your head. I'm working with a cube, and I'm using S cubed. So S cubed equals 125 inches cubed. Now, when we were working with square roots, we knew that the opposite of squaring something or square rooting something was to square it. Now this is somewhat similar. The opposite of cubing something would be to take the cubed root of that same thing. So let's try this. Remember, let's treat this as an equation. So in order to undo the cube on the S cubed, I'm going to take the cubed root. When I take the cubed root on one side, I have to take the cubed root on the other side. So I know that this cubed and this cubed root will cancel out and leave me with just S. And now on this side, I have the cubed root of 125. So what factor multiplied by itself 3 times is going to equal 125? And that happens to be 5. And because we're working with inches, it would be 5 inches. So the length of the side of a cube is 5 inches. So we did the same thing as we did in a previous example, except now we were able to get our information from the word problem to be able to know what to do. All right, there is one more got it problem I'd like you to try. It is actually on the top of page 74. Go ahead and do that now.